Hey, welcome back to my channel. Even though I'm starting off with my hair first today, I'm going to show you how I do and also how you can do an everyday eyebrow look right after I finish putting my hair in a cute little bunny. This is for the girlies that have fair eyebrows, like they're there but not really, but they are. You just need a little fill-in. Yeah, I got you covered. And if you don't have thin eyebrows like I do, this could also work for you as well. The products that I'm using are not expensive. You can find them at your local hair store. You ready? Let's get it. Get your eyebrow pencil of choice. I'm using Wet n Wild Color Icon Kohl eyeliner in the shade Simmer Brown, and make sure it's sharpened. Lightly outline the shape that you would like. Emphasis on light. Make sure you have a light hand. You want to be very, very light-handed when it comes to doing your eyebrows because you don't want it to look crazy, you know? As long as your pencil is sharp, the product is going to show. Next, you want to do light brow strokes to fill it in. Make sure you're doing this part very lightly. That's the key to how I get my eyebrows the way that they look. I'm doing very, very light-handed strokes. So you don't want a harsh eyebrow look. Like, that's not it, all right? When you get to the beginning of your brows, make sure you're doing your strokes light and straight up and down so you have more of a natural look. You want it to look like it's yours. You feel me? Please make sure your hand is light and gentle. I cannot stress this enough. I promise you it really makes a big difference. When you are putting too much pressure, you barely want to put any pressure on it, all right? Perfect. Next, we're going to conceal. I'm using J-Cat concealer in the shade Autumn. I brought this from the hair store as well. They also have this product on Amazon and Ulta. I love this concealer. Shout out to Queen. She gave me this brush from Morphe and I love it. You don't necessarily need a Morphe brush. You can use any sharp angle brush or a concealer brush. The trick to this part is making sure that the concealer you're using is your same skin tone or a shade closest to your skin tone. You don't want too much of a highlight. So when you're going to go blend it in, it gives skin. All I'm doing is taking the tip of the brush, dabbing it on a concealer, and starting from the arch of your brows, we're going to start concealing and cleaning them up. You don't want to use too much. Be very patient with yourselves and take your time. And do the same thing on the top as well. Boom. You see the difference. Fire. You see it. Now do the same thing to the other side. I'm ambidextrous, so I learned how to use both hands when it comes to doing my eyebrows. So I understand if you can only use one hand and it may take a little longer, but that's okay. Be very patient with yourself. I've been doing my brows since like the 8th grade, and that was years ago, baby, okay? I've been practicing for a very long time, so don't beat yourself up. If you don't get it on the first try, okay, it's okay. Try again until you get better and comfortable at it. I promise you, you'll get it right. Just don't give up. Use that same brush to blend the concealer and to do any extra cleanups. I like to drag it down and blend it. Then get a foundation brush to continue to blend in the concealer. You want to make sure it's no harsh lines sticking out. Just like that. With the corner of your foundation brush, do light, gentle strokes, like almost like at an angle in front of both of your eyebrows to get rid of that box shape and to give it more of a natural look. You feel me? And there you have it. This is my everyday eyebrow look. I hope this video helps. Send this to someone you love, and I'll see you next time. Peace.